2 battery charger boxes. Unpack and take out the toolkit.
The GT73 Pro is heavy.
2 people are needed to lay the box on the ground and take it out slowly.
Park the GT73 Pro steadily and start disassembly and assembly.
Place the front wheel brake disc on the ground with the disc facing upward. Remove the front fender.
Open the accessory box. It contains an instruction manual, stickers, a 1,200 pounds rear shock absorber, and disassembly tool.
Open the battery charger box. Install the GT73 Pro handlebar. Install the handlebar so that the logo is horizontally centered and facing forward. Install the front fender. Install the front wheel. Remove the brake pad protector. Remove the front fork protector. Inspect the front wheel and install the brake disc into the brake pads. Attention! Must install the front wheel through axle nut as demonstrated in the video. Move and align the screw rod position, then install and tighten the screws. Critical! Must replace the rear shock absorber with the 1200 EABS model provided in the accessory box.
Imperative! Must remove the transport shock absorber and replace IT with the 1200B shock from the toolbox.
Inspect and align the mounting holes. Then install the fixing screw rod. Pedal installation. GT73 Pro booting operation demo.
Check if the battery is securely locked in place. Turn on the power and check the battery level. Unlock the mechanical key lock on the handlebar.
Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to start up and enter P gear.
Squeeze the brake to enter riding mode. Press the plus button to set 3-speed gears, Eco, STD, and Turbo.
Headlight button. Turn signal button. Horn button. Fork damping adjustment.